The carburetor assembly consists of a new carburetor, the isolator, and the isolator to cylinder gasket. The carburetor brings fuel and air together in the perfect ratio for combustion. The carburetor has many tiny passages that route the fuel. If dirt or corrosion plugs these passages, the engine will run poorly or not start at all. Leaving fuel sitting in the carburetor for a month or more at a time can cause varnish and corrosion to form inside, restricting or stopping the flow of fuel. A carburetor can be cleaned and rebuilt, but often it is cheaper or faster to just simply replace it. Replacing your tool's carburetor is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover. Now remove the air filter base and the carburetor. Now remove the throttle cable. I'll take two small flat screwdrivers and insert them in the slits on either side. I'll press in with the screwdrivers and then pry it away from the housing. Now I can remove the heat dam. Now I have access to the insulator. I'll remove the screws that secure it. I'll need to remove the rear cover to release it. The rear cover is secured with 6 screws. Now remove the gasket from the old isolator. I'll need to transfer the nuts that secure the carburetor screws from the old isolator to the new. I'll use one of the carburetor screws to install the nuts. I'll thread it onto the screw, press it into the housing. I'll give it a tap with a mallet to make sure it's seated, and then unscrew the screw. Now install the gasket that came in the kit. Now install the new isolator. I'll route the breather tube in the gap at the base of the isolator. I want to make sure I don't pinch the breather tube. Once it's aligned, I'll secure it in place with the screws. Now reinstall the rear cover. Now replace the foam heat shield. And now the heat dam. I'll align it with the housings and work it behind the rear cover. And next I'll reinstall the throttle cable. Now remove the fuel lines from the carburetor. Now I can install the new carburetor. First I'll connect the incoming fuel line and then the return line. Now reconnect the throttle cable, align the carburetor with the intake, align the air filter base, and secure it all with the screws. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the air filter cover. And that's all it takes to install a new carburetor assembly on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.